Back to a new video.
No, I'm watching it.
This time, I don't know if I'm right or wrong. But my friend is gonna be playing later. Okay.
I don't know.
I mean, he's not playing right now because he's in class.
Hey, can I have my language?
Guys, tell me,
what language are you speaking? What language are you speaking? En español.
Toi, c'est l'espagnol. Violet, c'est l'espagnol.
You poopy head.
I'm not a poopy head.
Bro, I said sorry like 10 times.
Turkey.
I said sorry.
Turkey. Come here, Turkey.
Hey, can I get my stuff back?
Turkey! Yeah, run. 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 Hit him on the foot. Oh god, he's mad. He's mad. He's mad. He's mad. Ooh.
I'm gonna tickle you if you keep on.
Ooh. Oh god. Oh god.
But it's gonna be bombs. I will shoot you. I will squishy the hell out of you.
Come here.
He's Russian and German. He's Russian! Bro, he's being
What are all
racist
these
about
turkeys doing?
races.
Oh
Yes,
god.
you are.
We're gonna be doing some turkey hunting, guys.
He's Russian.
Come here. Here's a good place. No.
Oh, I'm trapped.
Run! I got it! What are you laughing about?
I'm a monkey.
Ooh!
No,
Yeah!
no.
Come here, turkeys! It's almost time for Thanksgiving!
He's not even Russian.
Not really.
He's just like saying random stuff.
I see another turkey!
Alright, I'll show you how to laugh. Get a ring on, get a ring!
Come here!
My shorty, I killed him.
Come here, turkey! Come here! Come on! No! Ooh. Ooh. Come here! Come here! No!
I like shooting ammo.
Come on, Ogre, why you have to be doing this?
Russian.
He's not speaking Russian. He's speaking
Turkey hunting!
Oh, mama.
Missy.
Give me my money!
Your aim is trash. Your aim is trash. Bad as hell. Moi c'est Sylvie de RPG.
Oh my god. I knew it was gonna explode me.
Please talk. My brother
Go get a rocket, hurry, hurry, hurry.
Noir! Noir!
Go, hurry! I know it's not that disappointing, but I'm just turkey hunting. You just gotta turkey hunt, because in a few months, Thanksgiving will come around, and then you have to hunt for turkeys. Come on, turkeys! Who wants to fight? Come on, turkeys! Beat the last turkey. Okay, guys, I gotta end the video. I love